Thanks a lot for coming by. I am making a super delicious roast chicken dinner. I have made this a bazillion times over the years, and it's one of the director's favorites. It's got chicken and onions and sliced lemons. You're gonna love this, and lots of herbs. It's really a delicious recipe, and it's easy. It's not a difficult recipe, and most times you have the ingredients in your house. And I hope you like the recipe. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty, I have a roasting pan here in the center there. That aluminum foil I think is going to just totally blow my poor camera's mind, but we'll live with it, right? And I have sliced up some lemons. Make sure you clean those rinds. They have been washed and sliced with the rind on. And I'm going to spread these out. This is such a good recipe. I don't know how many times I've made it. I tweak it a little time, you know, every so often I tweak it a little bit, but generally speaking, it's pretty much the same. And I'm gonna spread some onions down here on this. That's about a half an onion. Of course, as I always do, I will leave the ingredients and the instructions for you. I need a towel from my hands. Here we are. Okay, and I've sliced up some garlic. I'm gonna just top that on there. Oh, that garlic and the onions. Oh, and the lemon. Now I'm going to add a little bit of rosemary from my garden, which is, I think, going to be being put to sleep here real soon because it's getting to be winter, fall. The only garden item I have is my rosemary, but I think it'll survive. It's on my deck. So, and that's a little thyme, some dried thyme. And to this, I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Do good grinds of that. And I'm going to use some Maldon salt today. I don't know whether you've ever had a chance to use Maldon salt. I'll show it to you there. It's a little flaky, a little larger flake. And it actually does have quite a different flavor. You know, you never would think that salts would have a different flavor, but they do. And that's a wonderful, wonderful flavor, the Maldon salt. And I will put a link down there for you. I know sometimes it's very hard to find, and you can buy it online. And I'm just going to drizzle this with some nice, just a little bit, because the chicken's going to add its own moisture, but just a little bit to get it going. Alrighty, now I have put my chicken, which the director did a beautiful job of spatchcocking for me. I'm going to bring you in just a little bit. I think you need it there. You're much better there now. And I'm going to put some olive oil, just brush it on. This is a very Mediterranean. If you're a Mediterranean diet kind of person, very Mediterranean diet. It's what they eat in Greece, I guess, huh? All right. Lots of healthy fats, olive oil, lemon, some poultry. All right, that looks good. And I'm going to do a little salt and pepper again. All right, that, more pepper. And I have my oven preheated to 450 degrees. It's very hot oven. And this is about a 4-pound chicken. And it's going to go in the oven for just about an hour. And I will be pulling it out and sprinkling some lemon juice on top of it. It's a little bit more that time. And a little bit more of my rosemary. Oh gosh, that smell of rosemary. I wish I had a cologne of rosemary because it smells so darned good. All right, so I think I've got this ready to go in the oven. Okay, this is going to go into a 450 degree preheated oven, and the director's going to put it in that oven for me. This is way too heavy. After an hour, I'll bring it back, we'll pull it out of the oven, do some lemon juice on it, and it'll go back into the oven for a little bit longer. And then we'll take it out, let it rest, and do some cutting on it. So we'll be back in about an hour. This chicken has been cooking about 55 minutes. Now, The director wanted me to fess up for him. He spatchcocked it beautifully and thought that the legs didn't sit down enough, so he decided to cut the legs off of the chicken, and I said, no, don't do that. Well, he sort of did, and that's okay. It's chicken, right? It's all going to go in the same place. So now I'm going to give this a good squeeze of lemon juice. Oh, the smell. You got the lemons, you got the rosemary, you've got the chicken, you've got the olive oil, the garlic, and the onions. It absolutely smells insane. All right, going back into the oven for about another 15 minutes, and then I'm going to let it rest for about 15 minutes, and then we'll be ready to take a sample of it. You ready to try this?
Oh, yeah.
It smells really good in here.
Yeah, it does.
All right, go ahead, take a bite.
All right.
See what you think of it. Of course, you know I make this several times during the year. It's awfully good. All right. What do you think?
Wow.
Good? All right. Let's see here.
So moist.
Good chicken.
The herbs are so wonderful. And the lemon in there. Wow, that's delicious.
Well, good.
Yeah.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Tell your friends, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you next time we have some delicious culinary adventure. Take care, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.